All right, guys, now we're gonna vacuum.
So I'm a slob, as you guys know. So today we're doing something that I desperately need, spring cleaning. We're going to do a full cleanse of my whole life.
So I'm embarrassed to admit this, but this is what my closet usually looks like. I just can't help it. A bitch is messy. So we're gonna pick this up off the floor, but I also kind of have to make sure that I sell some of the things that I don't wear anymore. This, however, I will not be getting rid of. Very obsessed with my wildly impractical outfits. Yep, this stays. I'm embarrassed to show you my bathroom, but this is what my bathroom usually looks like. Yeah. Like, I need to organize this. This is a mess. God only even knows what's under here. You know, it's not as unorganized as usual, but like, I definitely have a lot of random shit. This is bad. Like, my makeup drawers are just, like, a lot's happening in here. A lot's happening in here. I need to just make this not be such a chaotic mess. Like, all my perfumes are so beautiful. I want them to be on display and not like this. I don't even know what all of this is. Half-used eyelashes. Oh my God. Fully empty makeup containers. Probably don't need those. Oh, empty contact solution. Probably don't need that. Old molds of my teeth. I have the randomest assortment of shit. I don't think I need this, really? As the first order of business, we're just throwing everything away. This took me 3 hours to clean out all my drawers. It was exhausting, but eventually I did toss everything. God bless. Taking out the trash. This is such an exciting vlog. Bye. This is a workout. Woohoo! Party! All right, Henry's come to save the day. Oh yeah! Oh my God, yeah! Wait. George, get on it.
Come on, George, get on it.
Come here, pumpkin. Come on.
Put on.
Isn't this fun? George, this is what we pay the big bucks for.
Wow. George, where you?
Okay.
That's what the big bucks gets you here.
So, we're gonna take some stuff downstairs. Yeah, yeah, we're gonna do it. It's gonna be so fun. Yay! All right, this shit's gotta go. Hey guys, so this is my storage closet, which is literally just Christmas stuff. My beloved reindeers. Hi guys. So we're gonna see if we can fit all my empty boxes in there.
Yeah,
And by we can do it, I mean Henry can do it.
Yeah, I love you. Thank you. I love you.
You can see the floor. Okay, it's still not like perfectly clean, but I'm telling you, based on the way this room usually looks, the fact that you can even see the floor is groundbreaking. Yay. P.S. Someday this room is gonna be the most amazing dining room you've ever seen. This is actually not so bad. This is like kind of organized, except I have like new shoes on the floor. I have my ice skates out. This is a little messy. I'm gonna clean that. I also want to organize this. This is not giving. This is honestly probably the only room in the house that's ever like even kind of clean. That's because these are my pride and joy. The fabulous aesthetics of my shoe collection is quite literally unmatched. And speaking of aesthetics, you guys are always asking how I edit my photos and how I keep such like a specific aesthetic everywhere. Y'all know my Instagram, my Pinterest, everything is like very me. And the not so secret that I've already shared, but I'm sharing again, face up. Like literally no filter, no nothing. This is a great photo of me, but we're gonna make it even better. So I have the Pro version because the Pro tools make the biggest difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by just erasing this random hair that I have. Look at that, boom, gone 2 seconds. Gonna smooth my skin out here, just level 3, nothing crazy. Darken up my lipstick color just for the vibes, because why not? Add a filter, my favorite. We're gonna go with Bloom for this one. And voila, still me, but now in my aesthetic vibe. So huge shout out to my friends over at FaceApp for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to check it out for yourselves, you can scan the QR code here or click the link in my description and try the Pro version for free for 7 days. You're welcome. Enjoy being fabulous. Let's see, can I do this? All right, guys, we just organized the boxes. Looking good. All right, don't try this at home, kids. Look at these unbelievable treasures. Dun, 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 dun. Woo! Okay. Oh, God, I just love shoes. Aren't they beautiful? Now that's an aesthetic. Oh, spectacular. These are just my beautiful children. Look at how gorgeous. Oh. You know what they say is true. Clean home, clean mind. And looking at these all beautiful really does bring me inner peace. I'm not even kidding. It really does. This is my therapy.
Simply magnificent. This is it. It's just, wow.
All right, we're done with this. This is my version of exercise, so let's see what else we can do. All right, guys, now we're going to vacuum. This is actually good exercise. I can't do the dishes, but I can vacuum a house in high heels. I'm actually afraid of how much dust I got up. That's genuinely concerning.
All right, Henry does things he's not paid to do. Round 75.
My carpet gets so wrinkly and messed up, and I've tried a million things. I hired professional people to unwrinkle it. It's impossible.
So we're gonna do it.
Oh boy.
Woohoo! No, we can do it.
Oh, that looks not so bad.
You just
But it
gotta
still
move it
does-
on that corner. Oh,
It looks ugly still.
because you just gotta move it on that corner now.
George, you're harassing him. We're trying to work. George, please. Okay.
Now I really can't work.
George. George, please, we're done. Honey, please. Or fine, sit on the couch. That's fine. Okay, what do we do? Oh, hi.
This is not productive, George.
Woo, okay. Not perfect, but better. So as you know, there's approximately 800 million mirrors in my house, so we're bringing out the big guns. Let's do this. It should only take me 17 hours. Oh my God, okay, here we go. Hi. P.S. guys, this has nothing to do with anything, but the other day I was on Pinterest and hello. It's literally my bathroom. So, unfortunately, this is what my kitchen looks like. It's so sad. So this is what I do in my kitchen. I work on jewelry. It's a disaster, but this is literally where I play with all the stones. I eat candy while I do this.
I can't help myself. I just get so creative and always just make such a mess. I have so many different stones and colors and ideas to play with, but everything always comes out amazing and beautiful, so it's worth it. P.S. In honor of spring cleaning, you can use code SPRING for $10 off anything you want site-wide. So, happy shopping.
Well, this is my fridge. There's really nothing in it anyway, except drinks for when I have guests come over, so I guess I don't really have too much cleaning out to do in there.
I literally just set my camera up and watched me clean this. This is actually like a 3-hour clip, but I'm gonna highlight it to the most exciting, exhilarating parts, which is this, because it's cleaning, so it's actually not interesting to watch at all. I had to entertain myself the whole time. Yeah, this was dancing nor cleaning are really my strong suits.
I haven't seen nothing on this table in like a month. And look, look, there's not even anything in here anymore. Wow, inspirational. All right, we're gonna put some dishes in the dishwasher. Whee, look at us go. I hate this. My least favorite chore by far.
The dishwasher one
I can
time.
only imagine what would happen
Oh
if you
God.
wash clothes.
Oh no.
Oh, this whole building's gonna go down under. I got sink water all over me.
Oh no, George, I think this is a sign that we're not supposed to do dishes.
This is genuinely the cleanest the kitchen has ever been in all of extended time in history. I don't really cook anyway, and after that, I'm definitely not probably gonna be doing dishes either, so. I have huge, grandiose plans for this room though. This is basically the vision green marble floors. Someday. If you guys wanna see me do that, shop 333, help me get there. All right guys, in here, I don't even want to know. Oh my God. Well, I have a cardboard cutout of myself in here. You know, I should probably clean this. Oh boy. Okay, let's see. She's literally judging me for how messy I let my life be. This was the base of my Versailles ball dress. I really need to find a better way to store it. All right, so we're gonna list the stuff I don't need on Poshmark and Facebook Marketplace. Some other little things that I decided to do this week are the things that I never do, like wash my sheets. Honestly, I'm not great at this. This took me way longer than it should. You like the new clean bed? I've had this cracked glass picture frame on display forever, so finally took the glass out and put fabric on it instead. So much better. So like, as you can see, my handiwork was a little shoddy here. This one is kind of falling down, so I'm finally gonna fix it.
Like all those little things that are just gonna take you 5 minutes and you never bother to do. This is your homework this week, guys. Just do them. It makes you feel so much better.
All right, guys, we're getting a car wash. Woohoo! Nice. Sparkly princess clean. Do my Amazon returns. Look at me, so on top of things. Woo! All right, something else we're gonna do is clean out my phone because God only knows I have 107,000 things in my camera roll. Currently have 5,000 emails. So we're going to do a full digital clean out. Like, do I need 18,000 photos of George as a puppy? Yes. I'm not deleting any of these. Oh, he was so cute. Look at him. Oh! I guess I don't need 9 photos of the same ring. I guess I could delete like 1 or 2. Camera roll is honestly mostly full of things that I want to buy online. I want this. This is gonna turn into not cleaning at all. I'm just gonna end up shopping online. P.S. guys, something I do literally every day is unsubscribe from emails. Like if some random place emails me, I literally just unsubscribe from it. I've been doing it since January and I'm not gonna lie, it's changing my life. Do you care to explain how there are this many piles of fur, George? Why do you shed so much? All right, so here we go. I think I could make a whole new George. Wow, look how clean the floor is. I've never before seen it like this. All right, guys. I think that's honestly as clean as it's gonna get, so do you wanna see the tour? Ta-da! So clean. Oh yeah, the bathrooms never looked better. Louis Armstrong would be proud. Look at how clean and organized it is. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Magnificently gorgeous, yes, yes, yes. Wow, a fabulous. Oh, can you even believe it? Look. Wow, you can actually see the counters. Look at that, you can actually see the counter. I legitimately think this is the cleanest the bathroom has looked since I straight up moved in. And look at my drawers. So organized. Ooh. Majestic. Look at that, guys. Phenomenal. And my perfumes. Oh, look at how gorgeous they are. I love my perfumes so much. They are so gorgeous, and now they're fully on display to be beautiful. Let's see how long I can keep it this way. Look, you can see the floor. Woohoo! thrilling. There's no random pile of crap on here. It's unbelievable. Everything's actually on a hanger. Wow. Okay. You have no idea how long that took. Wow. It's clean. It's clean. This is so exciting. Got a little carried away with flowers this week, but congratulations to me for finally cleaning. I deserve it. Alright, do some laundry.
P.S. Don't forget to spring clean yourself. Self-care, self-pampering, making yourself feel glamorous are all very important parts of a fresh new you.
I still shave my face. Oh yeah.
So get that fancy pedicure, get your nails in exactly the claw formation that you like. Ooh, hell yeah. Whatever it is that makes you feel like your most fabulous self, you know, light a candle, take a nice warm bath to enjoy quality time with yourself and your loved furry friends. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. So take the long walk home just to see the sunset.
You know, literally stop and smell the roses.
There really is such a beautiful world out there if we just stop and appreciate it, you know?
Guys, I'm talking to Jenna. Say hi, Jenna. George, you're not going. Bye, Pumpkin. Love you.
Spend time with the people you love doing the things that you love.
Woo! Hi.
We're watching How to Be Single. Spring really is just such a wonderful time for the reset, you know? So you can appreciate the sunrise and also appreciate the night sky. It's not particularly deep, but I'm sure there's a good metaphor in there. But,
You know, spring cleaning is a lot less about cleaning as it is about a fresh new start, a new chapter, just a new lease on life. You know, I actually think that's one of my favorite things about life is that it's never too late to just completely change anything. Like maybe I'll just be clean from now on. Very unlikely. But at least I'm clean for now and I'm inspired, so I hope this inspires you too. Clean your own room, clean your own house, clean out your own life, and enjoy all the new wonderful things that the season has to offer. I love you. Spring kisses till next time.